are on day 4. Day 4, Let It Go Diet, Skin Revive Smoothie. Remember to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the like button. So let's get started. It's breakfast, it's morning, feel good, my body feels better, I have less pain. It's all about eating clean. Alright, this calls for 1 cup of mango. One cup of strawberries, half teaspoon of turmeric. You can also use turmeric root if you don't want to use turmeric powder. Use 1 inch or half inch of the turmeric root. Half inch of ginger. Both ginger and turmeric help reduce inflammation in the body. 2 tablespoons of hemp powder. A little bit more. Alright, remember to have fun every day. Love your body, love your food, love what you're doing for yourself. Now we need 1 lemon squeezed. It's good to loosen up my back too. I started juicing and eating clean for 21 days because my back was hurting a little bit. It's getting better each day. I feel more agile, less bloated, just feel better. Love the smell of lemon, so we're just going to rub that into the skin. Next up we need 1 cup to 1.5 cups of almond milk. Again, this is unsweetened because the sweetened just has too much sugar. Alright, so we have all the ingredients in. Let's go over the nutritional tidbit for the Skin Revive Smoothie. Mangoes are rich in vitamin A, which is important for healthy, young-looking skin. Vitamin A helps combat the damage caused by free radicals, thus the onset of wrinkles. We all need healthy-looking skin. So, let's go ahead and blend this up. Remember, add ice if you want it to be a little bit colder. These are frozen mangoes and frozen strawberries, so it should be cold enough. You can use a fresh mango or frozen mango, it's your choice. Just remember to add ice if you want it to be a little more chill. Alright, we just finished up the blending. I know I want it to be a little bit cooler, so I'm going to add some ice in. And remember one thing, it's called Let It Go Diet. You want to let go of any challenges, adversities that you had, anything, relationships with work, people, anything. Let it go. What you're doing is something great for your body. So I added some ice. Let's make this chilled. As always, we'll taste it during the video. This is day 4, smoothie number 3, Skin Revive Smoothie. Looks like a milkshake. Has no milk though. Super cold, super good. Take care of yourself, letitgodiet.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. See you soon.